The 2023 Acura Integra hails the return of one of the brand's most iconic nameplates, delivering a premium, exhilarating drive with a sleek liftback design. It's packed with life-advancing features that are simply hard to beat. Here's how to replace your wiper blades or raise the wipers for icy conditions. Step 1. Set the vehicle power mode to on, then vehicle off. Step 2. Within 10 seconds of setting the power mode to vehicle off, hold the wiper switch in the missed position for more than 2 seconds. Both wiper arms will be set to maintenance position as shown. Step 3. You will now be able to lift both wiper arms away from the windshield for replacement or icy conditions. Step 4. To return the wipers to normal, set the vehicle power mode back to on. Then, lift the wiper switch up to return the wipers to their normal position.